Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we have a makeup video. It's been a while. I'm very excited to do an update in this project pan. This is the group project pan fall for you, and I have a total of 6 products here that I need to make an update on, some of which I have pretty good progress on, a couple not so much. And then one that I'm actually going to be rolling out. I'm not entirely sure if this is a rollout type of project, but I wasn't expecting to hit my goal on this product, and I thought I might as well roll it out and roll a new product in. So here we go. Oh, also I will leave Claire Elizabeth's channel linked down below. She is the creator and the lovely person who invited me to participate in this project pan collaboration. Okay, here we go. So starting with the first product, this is actually one of the products that I didn't really use that much. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Weenie. I really love this. I think I only used it twice, maybe. There's a lot of reasons for that. If you want to know why, I'm not going to go into it in this video, but I do have 2 update videos on my channel right before this one. So I'll give you a close-up, but there's no update, and I also forgot to take pictures in my initial video, so here is where we are. My goal with this is to hit pan on it, and we are obviously not there. I am going to make a point to use this over the next month, and hopefully we will be able to hit pan on it. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. That's the goal. Let's hope that we get there. Next is one that I have actually used quite a bit over the last month, but I have not hit my goal on yet. It is a concealer. This is the RMS Uncover Up concealer in the shade 11.5. There is a heftier dip in here, so I don't know if you'll really be able to see. There is a dip. My goal is to hit pan in this concealer. I did use this quite a bit when I wasn't doing so hot and wanted just a little bit of coverage on some of the spots that were sprouting on my face. So again, I did use this quite a bit, but we're not quite there. Sometimes these like potted concealers can be rather deceiving, and you think that you're getting close but you aren't, and then one day boom, you've hit pan. So I'm hoping that will happen within the next month, but we'll see how far I get. Oh, I almost just dropped it. Let's actually talk about the product that I'm rolling out because I hit my goal on it, which is so exciting. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Palette. It says, "Don't be afraid to dazzle." This is very old in my collection. I do really like this. My goal was to hit pan on one of the pans in here. There is a bronzer pan and a highlight pan. I wanted to hit pan on the highlight side, and I did that. I was surprised, and I was very excited to have hit pan on this highlight. There is quite the chunky pan in there, as you can see. I thought about trying to hit pan in the bronzer side, but I'm nowhere near hitting pan on that side. So this is getting rolled out since I very much hit my goal. I didn't even hit like a little bit of pan. There's a lot of bit of pan in here. So I'm gonna roll this out, and I'm gonna roll in another highlight. This is one of my favorite highlights. I have tried to project pan this again. I have tried to project pan this before, was not successful. Oh gosh, I keep almost dropping everything. This is the Too Faced Love Light Highlighter in Blinded by the Light. I love this so much. It's like perfect for my skin tone, and I love the shine that it gives. So here, let me give you a close-up. When I first tried to project pan this, I made the mistake of trying to project pan right in the middle, which is the deepest part of this. So you can see there's quite the dip right there. I'd like to try and hit pan, but I think what I'm going to do instead is put a number goal on myself, which I have for 2 other products in this project pan. And my goal with this, use it 30 times, see where we can get. I love this highlighter. It's getting a little old. I almost just dropped it again. Okay, let's put that down. Next, I have 2 lip products. The first one is the second item that I haven't made very good progress on. It is a product that I want to use up by the end of this project, so this is not something I should be sleeping on. This is a Bite Amuse Bouche lipstick, yeah, in the shade Chai. I am wearing it on my lips today, layered with the other lip product in this project pan. I realized that I had hardly used it, so I did throw it on today. I think it actually looks very pretty. I didn't like put a thick layer on. I kind of like dabbed it in and then spread it in with my finger. This is how much we have left. I want to use this up. I have used it probably 3 times. Today might be the 3rd time, so I really need to amp up my game whilst I was not doing so hot the last month and a half-ish. The last thing I wanted to put on my face was lipstick, especially if we were going somewhere. A mask and lipstick really do not go together, so I haven't been wearing a whole heck of a lot of lipstick, which makes it difficult to project pan lipsticks and lip products. But Here we are, and I have another one. Actually, this is a lip gloss. This one I have a number goal on. I would like to use it 30 times. I have now used it 5 times. So we have another 25 times to go. Again, I've been sleeping on my lip products because they're just not that convenient to use right now. That's it. That's the excuse. So I have used this about 5 times. I think that that's pretty accurate. I may have used it a couple more times than that. You can kind of maybe see I've used up about that much right there. I really like this. I don't love the way that this smells. What is this? French dirty chai. It might smell like chai. I don't know. Never had a chai before. Also, on a complete side note, I really like this packaging, and I'm not a big fan of the new packaging that Bite came out with their lip gloss, because if you didn't know, these are discontinued and they reformulated and repackaged their lip glosses. I think this is way cuter than the new one, but who am I to say? Just some person on the internet. Okay, and finally, my last product is another one with a number goal. This one I've actually made the most progress on, which is crazy. Well, except I suppose the highlighter, which I did hit my goal on. This one I guess is second. I've used this the second most. This is a blush, and again, I have a number goal. My goal is to use this 30 times. I have used it 10 times now, so I'm a third of the way through, which is exciting. And it's a MAC blush in the shade Warm Soul. This is one of the oldest products in my collection. Goodness gracious, here I go, dropping it again. I don't know why I'm showing you this. It's a domed product, so you're not really gonna be able to see much. A lot of the dome is actually gone, as you can see. So we'll see how this looks when I've used it another 20 times. Am I wearing this today? I am wearing this today. I think it's really pretty, but MAC is not cruelty free. So I obviously, I guess, don't recommend it. There are other options out there. Actually, the Milani blushes, the Milani baked blush, what? The Milani baked blushes offer a very similar finish and color range. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm almost positive they have a very similar blush to this one. Those are good alternatives to this one. Okay, there is my update. I'm very excited about this, and I'm very excited to be back filming. I hope that you enjoyed. I will be doing lots of other updates and lots of other makeup related content here coming up. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.